Welcome to the compensation plan of Cloud 2.0. In this video, you'll learn how Cloud 2.0 users can benefit from different types of CTO rewards. Members of Cloud 2.0 can receive 1. Passive rewards, 2. Share rewards, 3. Community rewards. Passive rewards can be earned by participating in one of the projects available inside the wallet. All you have to do is add funds to one of your super wallets, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, or any of the others. Once your funds are deposited, you simply click on Projects icon and activate one of the projects available there. Depending on when you're watching this video, you may only see Jarvis AI project. That's historically been generating 6% to 12% monthly income for its participants on complete autopilot. However, there are already many more projects on the roadmap, which you'll also be able to find there. This particular way of earning CTO tokens is passive, so you'll be receiving rewards regardless of whether you're sharing the wallet with others or not. If you do decide to share it, however, you'll be also able to receive share rewards. Each different project will come with different conditions and qualifications. Jarvis AI, for example, can be activated for as little as $1 deposit worth of cryptocurrency, and at least $500 if you'd also like to receive additional rewards from sharing. Those of you who will share the wallet must also activate one of the projects with the minimum specified amount required to receive rewards from sharing for you to be receiving your reward. As the cryptocurrency market is known for its volatility, we suggest to deposit a bit more than the minimum specified for each project. This way you won't miss out on any of the rewards. The company is using a fantastic compensation structure to generously reward everybody who's actively helping them expand their network. You are able to earn affiliate commissions in CTO tokens from as many as 21 levels, receiving a percentage of what your partners are earning. In Jarvis AI, for example, to qualify for all 21 levels, all you have to do is introduce 16 members who activate their Jarvis AI with a deposit of $500 or more. Each member activates one new level, and the moment you reach 16 direct members, all 21 levels activate for you. This table illustrates what sort of percentages you'll be to receive, level by level. You'll receive 100% of earnings of your direct partners, 50% of earnings of your second-line partners, and finally 5% of earnings of your partners from levels 3 through 21. Remember, the number of your direct partners with deposits of $500 and above will determine the number of levels you'll be eligible for. Lastly, community rewards. The moment you grow your team volume to $200,000 and more, you'll unlock a new type of rewards, community rewards. These will increase as you're reaching new levels of their ranking model. With $200,000 team volume, you'll achieve a rank of C1. C1 is the first rank, which allows you to earn an additional 5% from levels 3 to infinity. Not only are you going to double your earnings here from levels 3 to 21, but also unlock levels beyond 21. What's great about the ranking model is that you're not required to introduce any specific number of members. Just one member who deposits $200,000 or more would already give you this C1 status. Of course, the more direct partners you have, the higher the chance you have of achieving higher ranks. The moment 3 of your teammates from 3 separate legs achieves the rank of C1, you become C2. That will boost your community rewards by another 5% from level 3 to infinity. There's one important thing to remember. You will not receive community rewards from partners who have reached your rank or higher. Example, if you're C2 and you have 3 C1s and 1 C2 in your first line, you will not receive community rewards from your C2 partner. Another important thing to consider, your share returns are not affected by this rule. You will not receive community rewards from your C2 in this example, but the share returns remain unchanged. You'll still receive them from partners below your C2 partner. The highest rank in CloudToken is C5. That's why it makes a lot of sense to help your direct partners to duplicate your success and teach them how to help their direct partners do the same. We hope this video helped you understand the compensation plan of Cloud 2.0. If you have any questions, please contact your sponsor.